Today we have a very easy prawn recipe. It's prawns with lemongrass, cashew nuts and coconut milk. I first come across this dish in a Melaka Nyonya restaurant. I was a bit curious as we didn't cook this in our family meals. My mom didn't cook it, so I did some research and I found out there's a Penang version as well. So the version that I'm making now is the Penang version with a slight modification to sort of suit my taste. So let's go and see how to make this, what we call sambal prawns serai or lemongrass sambal with cashew nuts and coconut. We need 80 grams cashew nuts, dry roasted. 3 to 4 fat cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. About 15 grams. 4 to 5 shallots or about 50 grams, thinly sliced. 2 stalks lemongrass using the fat parts only. The ones that I'm using now is frozen, so it looks a bit dull. 1 red and 1 green chilli for garnishing. 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of shrimp paste or belacan. This one is from Thailand. 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of tamarind pulp. 125 ml of thick coconut milk from half a coconut or can. 300 grams medium-sized prawns, shelled and deveined. I used 250 grams frozen prawns, thawed. Heat 75 ml of oil in a wok or frying pan. Meanwhile, mix the tamarind with the coconut milk. Squeeze the pulp and set aside. You can use your hand. When the oil is hot, fry the garlic until fragrant and golden. Dish out and set aside. Fry the shallots in the same oil until crisp and golden. Remove and set aside. In the same oil, saute the chopped lemongrass. Add the belacan and break it up into small pieces. Squash it with a ladle if you need to. It smells lovely now. Strain the coconut milk and tamarind pulp mixture into the wok. Bring to a boil. Add in the prawns and stir until cooked. Check the taste. You can add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar or to taste, and some salt if necessary. Add in half of the fried garlic and shallots. Mix well and dish out. Garnish with the cashew nuts. Fried garlic and fried shallots. And then the chopped red and green chillies. Here is our creamy prawns with lemongrass, cashew nuts and coconut milk. So, let's try this prawn sambal. 1 big prawns and a cashew nut. And it's not hot. I bit on the lemongrass, so there's a burst of flavor. And oh yes, the shrimp paste, or we call it belacan, gives it a very umami, fishy smell, and it tastes rather unique. I enjoyed that very, very much. And I hope you'll be inspired to try the recipe. It is very, very easy. So until the next time and until the next round, I'm Rafael, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. And if you find my recipe of value, please don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button and the notification button. You can also get more Nyonya recipes and other recipes here. Until the next time, until the next recipe, I'm Loretta Lee. See you again. Bye. Thank you for your time. Bye. Thank you. 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 Thank you.